get it. I have ADHD. I get that. But this is ridiculous, okay? All day I've known it's Tuesday. I've known it's Tuesday all day. I made sure that Tape Tuesday uploaded all day. All day I've also thought it was Wednesday. All day I've been telling myself, okay, watch the clock, you got class today. You need to be there for that on time. You gotta hurry with this, because you need to save time and blah blah blah. All day, all day, all day. It is Tuesday. It is not Wednesday. And I showed up to school anyway. In a Spider-Man costume. The teacher said last week, extra credit this week if we show up in a costume. Halloween, whatever. I show up. There's other classes going on. I'm wandering around like, where's my teacher? Where are my classmates? But it's Tuesday. So it's not my school day today. Complete total neuron misfire all day. All day! All day. And I've been having like minor neuron misfires. I have ADHD, for crying out loud. I can put something down and it's lost immediately. I bought one of those clip-on thingy guitar tuner whatever-bobs. I lost it like... I bought it like 3 weeks ago and I lost it 2 weeks ago and I haven't seen it since. And I swear, I remember placing it down. I didn't just like chuck it somewhere. And I looked everywhere. I was... Why am I being that dumb? Seriously. I'm CJ, by the way. How's it called? I'm still like thrown off because I thought it was Tuesday and Wednesday all day today, and tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and it's gonna be Wednesday, and I don't know when I'm gonna think it is. My whole perception of time is fucked. You ever have that? Like, really just like contradicting information in your brain just coexisting? Bro was telling me it was Tuesday and it was Wednesday at the same time, all day. Other examples include the lens cap of this camera. It's lost more than I know where it is. Anyway, let's segue into something else now. Fucking shit. Let's segue into something else now. Fucking shit. I hope the music isn't too corny. I went to class today on Wednesday and I wore the costume. I was the only motherfucker in a costume. Teacher said it clear as day last week. Extra credit. I'm the only motherfucker that got that extra credit. Why don't people like having fun? Okay. Happy Halloween. Goodbye.